Hey guys, this is Solidworks Crew. Today, we're gonna have a look at how to design master chainring. Alright, let's dive into it. So, let's start with open up the new part. So once you open up the new part, I just want you to change to millimeter. If it is set as millimeter, this is absolutely fine. Alright, so then I'm just gonna start with the front plane, and then I'm just gonna draw a hex. And then I just want you to dimension 10 millimeter at the height, and then I just want you to make horizontal relation, okay? And then I just want you to offset this hexagon, but I just want you to reverse it, so it could be 2.5 millimeter offset from the outside. And then I just want you to go to the features and then extrude, okay? And then what I want you to do is I want you to actually just set as mid plane and then 2.5 millimeter, or we can just set as 2 millimeter. Alright, this one is good. And then go to the front plane again, and then go to the line and draw a line this corner to this corner, okay? Now I want you to line one more time, and then from here, and then select two lines, and then just make sure, just make pair, okay? And then I want you to select these two lines, and then go to the sketch, and then convert entity, and then go to the trim, and then just power trim, and then just cut it actually. So you could be actually just having only those sections remain, okay? And then what I want you to do is from here, I want you to go to sketch and then center line, and then draw a center line as vertical line. And then I just want you to grab entire thing, right? And then go to sketch, meter entities, and then that's gonna meter on the left side, okay? And then what I want you to do is, firstly, you can just exit the sketch. And then let's just go to feature, and I just want you to click fillet, okay? And then set as 1 millimeter, and then just select one of the corner. And then if you go to the selection toolbar box, which is actually you can select more conveniently, you can select this, the first option, which is highlight each corner. So I just want you to select entire just 6 corners, okay? So it's gonna selecting for you, and then click OK. And then I want you to go to the reference geometry from the feature, and then select axis, okay? In order to create an axis and the center, you have to click it and also expand this, the feature tree, and you can just select front plane. And then that's gonna creating a center axis, okay? Click OK. And then I want you to go to extrude cut and then select sketch, but I want you to select only the right sketch first. And then I want you to go to the front and then set offset, okay? And then I want you to type 0.15 millimeter, okay? And then yeah, I want you to offset to the right size, and then I want you to actually just click reverse. So you could actually just extrude cut even more, okay? Click OK. Right, this is what we want to see. And then what I want you to do is we're gonna have an extrude cut one more time, so make sure just like make it visible. And then I want you to go to the extrude cut and then select the second sketch that we did in extrude cut, okay? And then let's just have a look at it one more time. And then go to the offset, do the same thing from 1 to 5, but we're gonna actually cut it in reverse way, okay? So we have to actually make sure just like go through a little bit more inside. So this one seems good, so just click OK. Okay, this is perfect. And I'm just gonna hide this sketch so it can be a little bit cleaner, we can see. And then let's go to the fillet, and then I just want you to type 0.5 millimeter and then select this corner and select this corner, okay? And then I just want you to go to the other side and then select those two corner and this corner as well. This one is good. All right, this one seems good. And then make sure go to there's an I button, there's a hide all types button, and then there's a down arrow. I just want you to actually select this view axis. So then that's gonna actually make this axis visible, okay? And then if you don't want to actually make this kind of origin visible, and then you can just hide it. Actually, this is not necessary, okay? The reason actually we make the axis visible is just we're gonna actually just like do the circular pattern, okay? I want you to go to circular pattern and then go to the direction kind of point as this axis 1, and I want you to select this whole features. So basically, which is this 2 and fillet, okay? But I want you to go to, so make sure, all right, so this one seems good. And then next, we're gonna go to the fillet and then just like apply 0.5 millimeter one more time and select this corner. And then among those options, I want you to go to the last one, which is all concave. And then that's gonna select all those edges for us. So this one seems good, like okay. And then I want you to go to the fillet one more time and then make sure drop down to 0.35 millimeter, and then I want to select this face, not face, sorry, this is supposed to be edge, and then select the other edge, and I want you to select this curve side, good, and then select this other edge. Alright, this one seems good. Click OK, and then I want you to go to fillet one more time, and then I want you to select this one of those, seems good, and then select this edge, select this inside U channel S, okay, and then the last U channel X. This one seems good. Click OK. Almost the last fillet, so I want you to type the fillet and the 0.35, kind of same. I want you to select the face on top, those two faces, and then 180 degree rotate. These other two faces should be selected. Click OK. This one seems good. So the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna actually do the linear pattern. Okay, I want you to go to linear pattern, and then I want you to type, I want you to firstly select this top edge, okay? And then I want you to type 6 millimeter, and then instead of 2, I just want you to type 7 quantity, okay? And then I just want you to go down, and then instead of selecting features, I want you to select bodies, okay? And then make sure to select this body. But instead of actually going this left side, so I just want you to reverse this direction, so make sure to go to the right, okay? Click OK. This one seems good right now. So the next is I want you to go to the front plane one more time, and then just click the corner rectangle, and then just draw a rectangle. And I'm just gonna type 10.5, and then the length, I'm gonna type 30 millimeter. Just one more time, 10.5. This one seems good, but I want you to select this one and then this origin point as make midpoint, so that could be fully defined. And then just go to the sketch fillet and then type 2 millimeter radius. This corner, yes, and this corner, yes. Okay. Click OK. Exit it, and then I just want you to go to the center, the pattern kind of feature, and then just draw a center line over here. I'm not a big fan of actually just remaining any kind of bullet points. I'm just gonna actually just like point it down, so that could be fully defined. This one seems good. And then if you want to select the entire just like kind of loop, you can just select this select chain, and then that's gonna select the entire just like kind of loop for you. And then if you also select this center line by pressing Control, and then that's gonna select the entire things. And then just go to the meter entities, that's gonna just mirror automatically. Okay, and I want to go to the extrude and 2.5 seems good. Click OK. And then this is gonna be a new feature we never have a look at, which is I want you to type flex. Okay, so I just want you to actually just select entire features. Alright, this one seems good. And then I want you to type 360 degree. Okay, but I want you to go down, and then there is some of the parameter that we have to just change in order to make it kind of bending. So I want you to type 0 degree, 90 degree, and then 90 degree. Okay, so it could be actually just bending all the way. Let's just try click OK. Alright, so this one seems good, but there's a last step. So as you can see, there's a total of 7 bodies. So the way you can just combine all, kind of 7 bodies as one is, I want you to press Shift and then select entire things, or just press Control and then just select one by one. And I want you to go to Combine. If you right click, there will be a Combine option available. And then there's Add, Subtract, Common. I want you to type select Add. So which is just gonna combine all as just once. Click OK. Right, so this one seems good. So as you can see, there's only one body available, right? That means actually it's just all merged together. So this one seems perfect. And then what's the next step we can do is we can just make it a little bit actually kind of better by assigning some kind of appearances. So we can go to the material, and then what we can do is I think one of the most typical kind of ring kind of material we can apply is definitely the platinum. Okay, so we can assign the polished platinum for this one, and then I want to go to this appearance and then double click, and then that's gonna actually let us just change the color a bit. Okay, so I want you to actually just like click those kind of black color a bit. And then what we're gonna do next is we're gonna assign some different color on this face. Okay, I'm gonna actually just assign to this face. So only for this face, and then double click it, and then you'll be able to actually select more faces from here. So you can actually select those, this one, and then this one, and this one, and this one, and this one, and this one. Okay, and then the last faces. This one seems good. All right, so this one seems perfect. So the way actually we can just like make this realistic is we can just go to the kind of shaded view, and also at the same time we can just make a rear view graphic and just show some shadows, ambient occlusion, so that could actually show a very realistic kind of perspective. Okay, so not including curtain. So yeah, this is the way actually we can just like design a master ring. So yeah, so it's the only one actually new feature we touched today is basically the flex. So we didn't necessarily use a flex, but from the flex menu we have a kind of banding menu. So we actually just use the band option to basically using one kind of entire sheet and then just banding it, and then just combine as just one body. So this is the way actually we use the band option from the flex kind of feature. So yeah, we're gonna have a look at some of the other kind of ring design in the features video. So I just want you to actually just have fun and just like utilizing this kind of band feature just for any kind of like ring design if you're interested. Alright, so thanks for watching this video. So if this video was helpful, please thumbs up and then subscribe this video, and I will see you next one. Bye.